Hi guys, myself Shan Prasad. I am from Rajamahendravaram and I am from K University, Vijayawada. I am here to share my social internship experience on water and sanitation domain, which I have done for 7 days. Before going to presentation, I would like to thank KLSAC department for giving me this opportunity. Your guidance really helped me a lot throughout the internship properly. And here my presentation. And first of all, the overview of the domain purpose. My domain is water and sanitation. This domain is clearly tells us the domain was shows the water supply and the sanitation and the hygienist of the living areas. And key locations there are Godavari Bridge and Devi Chowk and some other places like Gautami Ghat. I am visited and interacted with local people and they helped me to find the problem, and I am interact with them and they interact with me. And the next slide comes to there are linked sustainable development goals, and the first goal is SDG 6 and SDG 3 and SDG 11 and SDG 613, and these are the linked sustainable development goals, and one are the clean water and sanitation and good health and well-being and the sustainable cities and communities and the climate action. These key elements will help me to find the problem. And the next one, and the sample activities and their importance, and these are the key elements that some are field surveys of sanitation, and some are water quality observations, and some are community interviews, and some are waste mapping around guards, and these elements that we understand in the domain. And the next one, and the relevance of the village, and in Rajahmundry nearby areas many people was dependent on the Godavari, and the water and the rituals were to be done in this Godavari, and this whole community live healthier, cleaner and more respectable lives, and especially during festivals when crowd are users, and the Godavari is the main key element of the living for people. And these are my 7 days journey and learnings. And the day 1 Devi Chowk, and day 2 near Godavari Bridge, and day 3 other side of the Godavari Bridge, and day 4 near Godavari, at day 5 at Gautami Ghat, at day 6 Pushkar Ghat, and the final day 7 Saraswati Ghat. These locations I will go and ask the people, and their interactions and my answers and their questions are done in these locations only. And the next page goes to and the key learnings experiences, and I saw the real problems in like public toilets and the waste disposal and the river cleanliness, and understand the people need awareness, not facilities, and the connect what I study in class in real life situations, improve my skills in observing and talking to people and the reporting. And I observe the people and some more challenges, and some more challenges are maintained in the locations. There are some poor maintenance and the lack of cooperation from locals and difficulty in collecting feedback, and some more limited awareness about hygiene and proper waste disposal. And the next slide goes to, and these are how challenges were resolved. I try to interact with people very politely and asking questions politely, and I am asking about and my telling my purpose of the social internship done by them, and approaching people politely, explain the purpose and build trust through the friendly conversations, and use a short clear question and spoke in local languages when it's needed, and to make the people comfortable. And the next slide goes to, and these are the problems identify the interval, and the main problem statement I first tell that the public toilets are not hygiene, there's a hygiene, and there some Godavari ghats are very crowded, that in the rituals areas the recyclable plastic was very, and the pollutions and the health risks, and these are the steps taken by the understanding, and surveyed sanitations, and spoke to the locals vendors, and observe how rituals and tourism added to waste problem, and these actions implemented to treat the problem, helped in awareness drives and encouraging use of dustbins and toilets, educated people on simple clean habits through conversations and left leaves, and observe the outcomes and short case study at the Pushkar Ghat over the area activities, awareness activities, and interact with local people and asking and giving awareness to them, and there's a visible improvement in cleanliness. And these are next slide. These are the documentation impact proof of me taking the permission in the government. And these are the next the day 7 of the day 7 local people reactants and the field study, and some of the posters and some of the reels I made and the repeat task. Yes, thank you.